Well, let's continue our tabletop sculpture, making simple geometrical forms for our for what? What is the purpose of these building of these houses and small towers? Well, I showed you how I composed a small candle holder for them, but you can make also you can make toys. You can use them as toys, like here. My previous project was already fired in the kiln and painted with glazes, and I have some kind of you see toy town which I can use to play with kids, make streets, and put people. Oh well, I don't have people now, but I have cars, and create cars and let your kids play with them. Smaller cars, let's leave it here. Bigger cars, or we can paint the cars as well, completely or just partially. It also looks quite good. Or we can paint it like this, very completely. This is a bus, as you see. And well, this video will be a short one, just showing you how it all looks like after painting and firing. And now I will record another video about making these types of cars. So stay tuned and already go to the next video.